Are you a therapist who recently decided to start a group and then thought, wait, how do I write the note? I'm Dr. Maelisa Hall, creator of the free private practice paperwork crash course, and I'm here to help you with writing your group notes. Now, the first thing to remember is that group notes aren't actually that different from individual notes. They're pretty much the same note written for individual clients, but some of the things are actually going to be the same and save you time. So the big difference between group notes and individual notes is that you want to talk about the individual interactions and the group interactions. So it's really pretty easy. You actually just follow your regular template. Maybe you use one like DAP, Data, Assessment, and Plan. And then you make sure you include all of those components of the individual and how they interacted with the group and how the group responded to them and how the group influenced them and how they influenced the group, etc. The big thing is don't write anything twice. This is my biggest advice. Don't write anything twice. So that means you can sort of cheat a little bit with group notes because you might provide an intervention to the whole group. You don't need to write that 10 times or 5 times, right? Just write it once and then copy and paste it into everyone's note. Now you still want to make sure that you're writing an individual note for each client. They are still individual clients and they should have separate records. So you're going to have a little bit in the note about the interventions you provided to the group, the things that you did that apply to everyone, and then you'll have maybe another sentence or two that's specific to that client. And that's it. So it's pretty easy. Just follow your regular template, but use those little tricks so that you save yourself time and you're not writing the same thing over and over in every person's note. You can copy and paste the things you did for every person, but make sure you also add those individual components and highlight how the group is different for each person. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you back here for our regular live show every Monday at 12 p.m. Pacific time, where I am answering all of your questions about documentation. So make sure you leave your question in the comments below, and maybe I will answer that on a future live. Happy writing!